Art Loeb Trail, Camp Daniel Boone. Headed southbound from the north end. Here we go. That's the trail. You can't see how steep this is. This is stupid. It goes up there. Art Loeb was a sadist. Based on these trails. Goes down there. Way down there. Yeah. About 8/10 of a mile in. It's very rocky. Very gnarly. Very mean. Passed several good water sources I marked on my All Trails account. In case you're doing this in the future. And check back in a little bit. See, about 4 feet?
Yep.
Here's our first major water crossing. It's a waterfall. Be there in just a second. Not quite 2 miles in. And it's slick. A water crossing here. Art Loeb Trail, about 3 miles in. Just crossed some water. Multiple water crossings, just little streams. And nothing but boulders right now. A little over 3. Check back around 4. See you later. Deep Gap camping area, little 360. On the Art Loeb Trail, can't really see it, I'm too short. But we're entering the Narrows right now. Very thin path and a fall on either side. So thin my backpack is dragging through it. There's Cold Mountain. It is cold. Ruthless. cold mountains getting enveloped by clouds. All right, getting close to the summit of Stairs Mountain. Pretty area right here. Kind of flat and grassy. It hasn't been flat all day, that's for sure. So this is nice. Got a summit stairs, go down the side into Deep Gap. About 5.5 miles in. I think you can see it, but the reason they call it Shining Rock is all the quartz that's here on this mountain. All the white rocks up there on the hill are quartz. Most of the light colored rocks here you see are quartz. It's all through here. Quartz everywhere. It's in the trail. Big chunks. Little pieces. All that up there is quartz. There's a good example right there. Welcome to Shining Rock.